Our universe is vast. It is filled with wonders that boggle the mind. Today, we journey to one of these wonders. We are going to visit a galaxy far, far away. This galaxy is called the Sombrero Galaxy. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an adventure. The Sombrero Galaxy is located about 31 million light-years away from Earth. That's a long way. To put that into perspective, a light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. So, 31 million light-years is an almost unimaginable distance. Imagine traveling at the speed of light, the fastest speed there is. Light travels at an incredible 186,282 miles per second. If we could travel at that speed, we could circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. Even then, it would take you 31 million years to get there. That's longer than the time humans have existed on Earth. It's a journey that truly boggles the mind. This galaxy is found in the constellation Virgo. Virgo is one of the largest constellations in the sky and is home to many other fascinating celestial objects. It's a rich area of the sky for astronomers to explore. Why is it called the Sombrero Galaxy? Look at its picture. The galaxy has a very distinctive appearance that sets it apart from others. You'll see a bright, flat disk with a bulge in the center. This bulge is actually a large, central cluster of stars, and the disk is made up of dust and gas. This shape resembles a sombrero, a wide-brimmed hat from Mexico, hence its catchy name. The resemblance is so striking that it's hard to miss once you see it. Astronomers, though, call it by a more formal name, M04590975. This designation helps scientists keep track of the many galaxies they study. The Sombrero Galaxy is just one of billions in the universe, each with its own unique characteristics and story. The Sombrero Galaxy was first discovered in 1781 by the French astronomer Pierre Méchain. It was later catalogued by Charles Messier, who included it in his famous list of nebulae and star clusters. This list, known as the Messier Catalogue, is still used by astronomers today. Today, we have much more advanced technology to study galaxies like the Sombrero. Telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope have provided us with incredibly detailed images and data, allowing us to learn more about the structure and composition of these distant objects. Scientists use this data to create computer simulations and models to understand how galaxies form and evolve over time. The Sombrero Galaxy, with its unique shape, provides valuable insights into the processes that shape galaxies. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes. The Sombrero Galaxy is classified as a spiral galaxy, but it has features of both spiral and elliptical galaxies. This makes it an interesting object of study for astronomers. One of the mysteries that astronomers are trying to solve is the role of dark matter in galaxy formation. Dark matter is an invisible substance that makes up most of the mass in the universe. It doesn't emit light, so we can't see it directly, but we can observe its effects on galaxies. Another fascinating aspect of the Sombrero Galaxy is the presence of a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole has a mass equivalent to 1 billion suns and plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the galaxy. The Sombrero Galaxy is also a site of active star formation. The dust and gas in the galaxy's disk provide the raw materials for new stars to form. These young stars add to the galaxy's brightness and beauty. While the Sombrero Galaxy is far away, it shares some similarities with our own Milky Way. Both are spiral galaxies with central bulges and active star-forming regions. Studying the Sombrero Galaxy helps us understand more about our own galaxy and the universe as a whole. Whether you're an amateur astronomer or just someone who loves looking up at the night sky, the Sombrero Galaxy is a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe. It's a testament to the wonders that await us as we continue to explore the cosmos. The Sombrero Galaxy is a sight to behold. It is a spiral galaxy just like our own Milky Way. What makes it special is its appearance. We see it almost edge-on from our perspective on Earth. The most striking feature of the Sombrero Galaxy is a thick band of dust. This dark lane runs across its entire diameter. The dust lane is made up of countless tiny particles. These particles absorb and scatter the light from the stars behind them. This creates the dark band we observe. At the center of the Sombrero Galaxy lies a beast. This galaxy, named for its resemblance to a wide-brimmed hat, is home to one of the most fascinating and enigmatic objects in the universe. It's a supermassive black hole. These cosmic giants are found at the centers of most large galaxies, and they play a crucial role in the dynamics and evolution of their host galaxies. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong nothing, not even light, can escape. This intense gravitational pull warps the fabric of space itself, bending light and distorting our view of the universe. This particular black hole is a monster among monsters. Its size and mass are beyond comprehension, making it one of the largest known black holes in the universe. Astronomers estimate its mass to be over 1 billion times that of our Sun. To put that into perspective, our Sun is already 333,000 times the mass of Earth. Now, imagine a single point in space containing 1 billion suns. It's a mind-boggling amount of matter packed into a single point in space. This point, known as a singularity, is where the laws of physics as we know them break down. The supermassive black hole is a powerful engine at the heart of the Sombrero Galaxy. It exerts a tremendous influence on its surroundings, shaping the galaxy in ways we are only beginning to understand. It influences the galaxy's evolution. The gravitational forces at play can trigger star formation, drive the movement of gas and dust, and even affect the overall structure of the galaxy. It does this through its immense gravitational pull. This pull not only affects nearby stars and planets but can also send ripples through space-time itself, creating gravitational waves that travel across the universe. In addition to its gravitational influence, the supermassive black hole can also emit powerful jets of high-energy particles. These jets can extend for thousands of light-years, impacting the interstellar medium and influencing star formation far from the black hole itself. Surrounding the black hole is an accretion disk, a swirling mass of gas and dust that is gradually being pulled into the black hole. As this matter spirals inward, it heats up and releases enormous amounts of energy, making the area around the black hole one of the brightest regions in the galaxy. The boundary around a black hole is known as the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, it is inevitably pulled into the black hole, never to escape. Scientists use advanced simulations and computer models to study black holes, as direct observation is nearly impossible. These models help us understand the complex physics at play and predict how black holes interact with their environments. Future telescopes and space observatories will continue to enhance our understanding of these mysterious objects. With each new discovery, we come closer to unraveling the secrets of the universe and the role supermassive black holes play in it. The Sombrero Galaxy, with its majestic supermassive black hole, remains a subject of fascination and study. It serves as a reminder of the incredible forces at work in the cosmos and the endless mysteries that await our exploration. Section 5. Two faces of a galaxy: spiral or lenticular. The Sombrero Galaxy is a bit of a puzzle. This galaxy, also known as M104, is located about 31 million light-years away from Earth in the constellation Virgo. Its distinctive appearance, with a bright nucleus and a large central bulge, surrounded by a prominent dust lane in its inclined disk, makes it one of the most photogenic galaxies in the sky. Astronomers haven't quite figured out all its secrets. Despite its well-documented features, the exact classification of the Sombrero Galaxy remains a topic of debate among scientists. Is it a spiral galaxy, or could it be a lenticular galaxy? This question has intrigued astronomers for decades. For instance, we're not entirely sure what shape it is. Galaxies come in various shapes and sizes, primarily categorized into spirals, ellipticals, and lenticulars. Each type has distinct characteristics that help astronomers classify them. However, some galaxies, like the Sombrero, exhibit features that make them difficult to categorize definitively. From our vantage point, it looks like a classic spiral galaxy. When viewed edge-on, the Sombrero Galaxy's disk and central bulge are clearly visible, resembling the structure of a typical spiral galaxy. The dust lane that cuts across the galaxy's disk is a hallmark of spiral galaxies, which often have well-defined arms and a flat rotating disk. We see it edge-on, remember? This perspective can sometimes be misleading, as it doesn't provide a complete view of the galaxy's structure. The edge-on view emphasizes the disk and bulge, but hides other potential features that could help in its classification. But some scientists believe it might actually be a lenticular galaxy. Lenticular galaxies, or S0 galaxies, are considered a transitional type between spiral and elliptical galaxies. They have characteristics of both, which can make them challenging to distinguish from spirals when viewed from certain angles. Lenticular galaxies are like a mix between spiral and elliptical galaxies. They possess a central bulge similar to elliptical galaxies, but also have a disk component like spirals. However, they lack the prominent spiral arms that define spiral galaxies, which can make them appear more featureless when viewed edge-on. They have a central bulge and a disk, but no spiral arms. This lack of spiral arms is a key feature that differentiates lenticular galaxies from their spiral counterparts. The Sombrero Galaxy's prominent bulge and disk, combined with the absence of visible spiral arms in some observations, leads some astronomers to consider it a lenticular galaxy. The Sombrero's true shape remains a subject of debate and ongoing research. As technology advances and new observational techniques are developed, astronomers continue to study the Sombrero Galaxy in hopes of uncovering more clues about its true nature. Whether it is ultimately classified as a spiral or lenticular galaxy, the Sombrero remains a fascinating object of study, offering insights into the complex and diverse structures of galaxies in our universe. Section 6. A Galactic Citizen. The Sombrero's place in the universe. The Sombrero Galaxy is not alone. It has a family, just like our Milky Way. The Sombrero is part of a small group of galaxies. This group is called the Virgo cluster. The Virgo cluster is huge. Astronomers estimate it contains over 1,000 galaxies. These galaxies are bound together by gravity. They interact with each other over billions of years. These interactions can be dramatic. They can lead to galactic mergers and the birth of new stars. Section 7. The Dance of Stars, Unveiling the Mysteries of the Sombrero. The Sombrero Galaxy is a dynamic place. It's not just a static picture in the sky, it is teeming with activity. Stars are being born, others are dying. The galaxy rotates, with its stars and gas clouds swirling around the central black hole. Astronomers study these movements. They want to understand how galaxies like the Sombrero form and evolve. Section 8. Galactic Cannibalism. The Sombrero's Past and Future. Galaxies grow over time. They do this by merging with other galaxies. Astronomers believe the Sombrero Galaxy has a history of galactic cannibalism. They think it has devoured smaller galaxies in the past. This is evident in the faint streams of stars around the galaxy. These stars are thought to be remnants of past meals. The Sombrero's appetite is not yet satisfied. It is still gravitationally interacting with nearby galaxies. This suggests that it might merge with them in the distant future. Section 9. A beacon in the cosmos. Observing the Sombrero Galaxy. The Sombrero Galaxy is relatively bright. This makes it a favorite target for both amateur and professional astronomers. It can be seen with a small telescope in the night sky. Larger telescopes can reveal even more detail. They can show us the intricate structure of the dust lane and the faint halo of stars surrounding the galaxy. Section 10. Inspiring awe, the Sombrero and the wonders beyond. The Sombrero Galaxy is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is home to billions, even trillions of stars. This realization fills us with a sense of awe and wonder. It reminds us just how vast and mysterious our universe truly is. Section 11. Our place in the cosmos, a final thought. As we contemplate the Sombrero Galaxy, we are reminded of our own place in the cosmos. We live on a small planet orbiting an average star in a vast and ancient galaxy. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. All we have to do is look up and let our curiosity guide us.